The ratio of A is to B is 2 is to 3. A is to B is 2 is to 3. Ratio of B is to C is 2 is to 1. B and then C, this is 2 is to 1. The smallest of the three numbers is 9. And so smallest of the three numbers is 9. Now A is less than B. C is also less than B. This is 3 and 2. This is 1 and 2. But we don't know of A and C which is smaller. We need to grab this ratio and get A to B to C, all three. For every 3 units of B, there are 2 units of A. For every 2 units of B, there is 1 unit of C. So we need to combine this to make sure there is one big ratio. So 2 is to 3 is same as 4 is to 6, is same as 6 is to 9, is same as 40 is to 60. Likewise, 2 is to 1, we can imagine that as being famous 4 is to 2, 6 is to 3, 8 is to 4, and so on. So rejig this to have a common number here. Common multiple of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 is to 3 is nothing but 4 is to 6. 2 is to 1 is nothing but 6 is to 3. Wonderful. Now we are through. We know that A is to B is to 3 is 4 is to 6 is to 3. A, B, C are in the ratio 4 is to 6 is to 3. The smallest of the three numbers is 9. So if we call this as 4x, 6x and 3x. 3x is the smallest of the three numbers, that is 9. We want to find A plus B plus C. Wonderful. We know 3x is 9. 4x plus 6x plus 3x is what we need to find. We know 3x is equal to 9, or x is 3. 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13. We need to find 13x. We know x is 3, so 13 into 3, 39 is A plus B plus C. This is what we are looking for.